just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez or Kezia. Today I'm going to be installing a beautiful, affordable curly wig. It's jet black. If that's what you're into, stick around. We have a beautiful, quick and easy install for the girlies that don't necessarily want to do a part. Today's hair sponsor is SHEIN, so let's give a warm welcome to them. Welcome back. I've been collaborating with SHEIN a lot, and I think you guys really love the SHEIN reviews because a lot of people shop on SHEIN, and if you're looking for like home stuff, clothes, everything, you can get it all at SHEIN, and wigs too, so we love that. Today what I have installed is a 28-inch 6x4 glueless curly wig. I believe the texture is water wave. This wig does come with pre-plucked hairline. Got my eyes wide open, savoring the moment, trying to breathe it all in. If I could slow down the clock, I would. When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I hear replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the have good selection. So I learned the hard way the last time that this thing is pigmented. Be careful because it does oxidize. I'm just going to put it on the lace. I did bleach the knots on this, but the knots were not wanting to bleach because this wig has been colored black. The knots are pretty resistant. I do want you guys to know that, and you can probably see them too. Definitely wear her glueless. I think I'm gonna melt her down a little bit. I'm going to put some spray. So let's just take our time. There are some glueless wigs that I find would look better secured down, where I feel like the lace was just not laying as flat as I would like it. The rule that I follow is you get what you pay for. If you're expecting like a luxury wig, then maybe go on a luxury website. If you're looking for an affordable wig that's going to hold you up for a little while, SHEIN is your best friend. They're going to have affordable options, and that's that on that. So I'm going for like baby hairs, but like still natural. A little something something. I don't want my baby hairs like super defined. And those are the types of baby hairs I'm after. Right, so I'm just adding more as I go. And when I start doing my baby hairs, I never know what exactly I'm going to be doing until I start playing around. I feel the wig out and kind of feel the vibe that it's giving me. Ooh, that messed up my makeup. A tossed over look with a closure wig. Super easy. It took about 5 minutes to do. I'm here for it. Because it is colored jet black, it's harder to bleach the knots. I would have liked for the knots to bleach a little bit more. Well, I do have to give that disclaimer because you guys know I like to keep it transparent with you. The hair does feel really nice and soft. I do think that it could have been a little bit longer. I was expecting a little bit longer for a 28-inch. This is definitely stretch length 28. It's still a cute wig. If you are on a budget, I would recommend you guys checking SHEIN out. They have a lot of other great options for you, and I do like the density. The density on this one is 180%, and it is giving that. When you comb her out, she looks very full. I'm actually happy with how the install came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the description box. That's where I'm gonna have all the details to this wig and the SHEIN website, the discount code if there is one, it'll be there as well. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.